Well, this is the photo of the product, and then this is an AI model wearing that product, and then this is the video version of that model showcasing or displaying that fashion product. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a stunning, beautiful, and professional fashion product photo using Gemini AI, and after that we can turn that into a moving e-commerce style video like this one. All can be done in just a few minutes. So let me show you how you can achieve this result using Gemini AI. So step number one, you have to prepare the product photo that you want to turn into an e-commerce video. And in this case, I'm going to be using this sample that was created by Gemini Nano Banana Pro. And after that, I'm going to open a new thread on Gemini. So I'll just upload that photo into Gemini, which is the product photo basically. And after that, this is the prompt that you can use to generate a photo like this one. So basically there is a model wearing the item, and this prompt is going to be available in the description down below. You can copy it. And let me just paste that into Gemini. There is one thing that you can modify, which is the characteristic of the model. So you can specify the gender, the characteristic, skin color, etc. But in this case, I want the model to be, let's say, young American woman. And that's about it. So I'm going to enable the image generation on Gemini, and I'll use the thinking or the Pro version because it will guarantee to be using the Gemini Nano Banana Pro. Send a message and just wait for Gemini to create a stunning studio quality and very professional photo that contains a model wearing the item that you just provided. So I'll just skip a word and I'll show you the result, and then we can move on to the next step. Okay, so I got this result. Now, if you don't like the photo, you can click this redo button and let Gemini to recreate another variation. So I got two different results here, so I can choose which one that I'm going to use for the next step. Now, let's say I'm going to be using this one. I'm going to click this download button. Now, there are two places that you can use to generate or turn this photo into a video. The first option is, of course, using Gemini because there is the video model in Gemini, but you can also use something like Google Flow. So these are basically using the same models, which is the VO model at the moment, and the model is great. So it's up to you which one that you want to use. But in this case, I will try using the video generation on Gemini. So let me just upload that picture, the picture of a model wearing the product. And after that, this is the prompt that I'm going to use. Let me just copy it. And again, the full prompt is going to be available in the description down below. And here I highly recommend to specify the product, and this is optional, but I recommend to do that because, especially because there could be multiple items in the photo and you want to just highlight only the main product, which in this case the yellow sundress. Now I'm going to click tools and then enable the video generation and just send a message and wait for about 1 or 2 minutes for Gemini via the VO model to turn this photo into a video. And again, I'll just skip a word and I'll show you the final result. Okay, so for some reason it wasn't able to create a video, and it actually took my video credit, and yet I didn't get any video. Yeah, that can happen when you're using some Google products. But anyway, I basically applied the same things on Google Flow, and this is the result that I got. And as you can see, the woman is just showcasing the product, which is the sundress, and she's just trying to look like a model, which I think looks great. So yeah, that's essentially the step-by-step process that you can take to turn your photo into a professional studio quality photo with a model, and also turn that into a video like this using Google's Gemini only. And yeah, that's basically it. And of course, the full prompt is going to be available in the description down below. You can customize it based on what you need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.